Today we're going to figure out whether you could take the face off of the TBIII Stiletto Hammer. So I watched a YouTube short. It was this guy comparing Martinez to Stiletto. And what he was saying is that the head is actually replaceable on the Martinez, but the face is not even replaceable at all on the TBIII because they added these lock washers back here. I don't think that that's the case. Like, it's got to be removable. But then I saw some comments from that creator saying, if you can get it to come off, prove it. Then send me a video when you can figure it out. Checked on YouTube. I typed in how to change the face on a Stiletto TBIII III, or can you? And there was no answers. So here we are, and I'm going to try to change it. So I've got it in a vise. So we're going to turn to the left. I'm going to pull it this way, and it does not want to move. I'm gonna put some safety glasses on. Okay, safety glasses on, and wow, that does not want to move. I can see how the guy said that he snapped it. Okay, for some added leverage. Now, there we go. Wow. 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 I just bent it. So here's my idea. Is to just, well, I guess destroy an Allen key. Well, I should have just like figured that out beforehand, because now we just destroyed probably like a proto. Everybody in these comments is gonna kill me. Don't put any of this part in. Okay, well, while we still have this this Allen key here, we're gonna try to grab it with something. Okay, I've got a 3/8 to 1/2 inch adapter that we're gonna put into that, and then 1/2 inch impact high torque gun. Oh, I don't have any impact sockets that are 7/32. This is on there really well. Well, Alright guys, here we are again a few days later. I have talked to the tool repair section of the tool store here in my town, and they said that when they do it, they use a T-handle Allen key and they put it in a vise, and that works. So here we are. I don't have a T-handle hex key. They didn't have one, so I bought a 7/32 regular Allen key. I clamped it in a vise. Use the hammer as the lever. So we get it right on there, and he said it's going to go a good quarter turn before it breaks loose. I really hope we don't break this Allen key. But here we go. Well, there we go, guys. That's all it took. It's loose now. Yes. The answer is yes. You can take the face off. Hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully you guys maybe learned something new, and now you know how to take this off. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, maybe learned something new. If you guys are new, please subscribe. If you already subscribed, please share this video with a friend. And as always, if you enjoyed the video, give it a big old thumbs up. We'll see you guys all next time. Peace out.